Hi everybody, I'm Alex from GARDENWORKS, and today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite summertime crops for small spaces, potatoes. With potatoes, it's really simple. There's only 5 things you're going to need to get growing. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need for growing potatoes is a container. So there's lots of things that we can use as a potato container, but what we're going to be doing here today is using one of these soft-sided potato containers that we have here at GARDENWORKS. What's really fantastic about them is they have some drainage holes already built in, as well as an easy access panel on the side to harvest potatoes as the plant is still growing. Okay, so the second thing that you're going to need for growing potatoes is your soil. So since we're growing these potatoes in containers, I'm going to use a container soil. This is going to be something that's really well draining and will allow those potatoes to thrive all summer long. When you're putting the soil into the potato planter, the first thing that you want to make sure is that you're not filling it all the way up right away. We're going to use a mounding technique and let those potatoes continue to grow. So you just start out with a little bit of soil, but you will be adding some more later in the season. The third, and arguably most important thing that you're going to need for growing potatoes are some potatoes. Today I've picked out a variety that I really like. These are the Gemstar russet potato, a great one for making French fries out of. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is prepare the potatoes. Now these ones are pretty small, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look and I'm going to cut them into roughly golf ball sized pieces, making sure that each one has an eye. That'll mean that some I just leave alone, they're already smaller than a golf ball. Some I will cut up probably into halves. So now with our potatoes prepared, it's time to get planting. So one of my favorite strategies for planting potatoes in a container like this is the idea of mounding. So what we're going to do is we're going to plant them in a shallow layer of soil to start. We're going to let those shoots form, pop up above the soil, and then we're going to cover them again. We're going to let this happen several times, and by doing this, we'll let the plant establish roots the entire length of the container and therefore produce potatoes the entire length of the container. So the potatoes are all planted up and we're ready to go. I've added a little bit of slow release potato fertilizer that I'm going to top up every few weeks or so. But now the most important thing is we're going to find them a spot in the sun. The potatoes are going to need a good amount of sunshine to really be productive. So since you've got such a small little footprint in these containers, take it somewhere where you can get a full day sunshine, as much as you can get them. So once these potatoes have had a little bit of time to start growing and establishing themselves, that's when the fun part starts. With these containers, what I love to do is open up that easy access hatch and harvest out some of those small nugget potatoes. One, they're delicious to eat just by themselves, but then also that will then allow the plant to start producing even more potatoes. So it really is just that simple to take advantage of a small space growing potatoes. We hope this inspires you to give it a shot in your own home. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.